Say goodbye to I don't know what to paint and say hello to circle painting cards. I'm thrilled to announce the launch of circle painting cards. As a global leader in collaborative art, we're committed to helping teachers, social workers, and facilitators organize successful events by providing them with tools that are easy to use and fun for all participants. We chose the circle theme because it's universal. The circle symbolizes wholeness, enlightenment, and the universe in all cultures. For us, circle means connect, create, and celebrate. Whether you're a seasoned artist or someone who hasn't picked up a brush in a long time, circle painting cards will come in handy. These colorful cards will give you and your participants great ideas to paint. There are 54 durable and washable PVC cards in the box. They are double-sided and have multiple images on each card. That's a total of 252 images to choose from. Let's start with step 1, the background images. For the circles to stand out, we need to paint the backgrounds with geometric shapes that contrast with the circles. Shapes such as rectangles or bold stripes, etc. Contrast is one of the fundamental principles for circle painting, and we'll continue to apply them in the next steps. Step 2 is to paint some concentric circles and expand them with the images on the motif cards. Make sure your circles vary in size. The biggest circle will become the focal point of the painting. You can also create contrast between the circles by your choice of colors, the size of your paint strokes, and the use of positive and negative spaces. Step 3 is to paint some patterns using the pattern cards. Add details to your circles to create more interest and meaning. At this point, you can also add some outlines and highlights to the painting. Please note that the cards and painting activity are only part of the circle painting method. Our comprehensive process starts with warm-up exercises and team-building games, and it ends with reflection and feedback so participants can share their feelings and experiences. You will learn more by joining our online or in-person training. You can also join the Circle Painting Global community to learn and share more with other facilitators worldwide. Start today.